What's going on, Beard Channel? Today we're going to go over the subject of beard oil, specifically this beard oil here. Now this one's called Cedar Wood Ode, and it's by a company called Renewed Man. Now this beard oil happens to be one of my favorite beard oils of all time. Now there's many others that I like, there's many others that I will review. I think it's mainly because of the scent and that it doesn't leave such a shiny texture-ish on your face. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get down to showing you how to use this stuff, how much you should use, where you should apply it, when you should apply it. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to these videos for more content. There's plenty more coming up. I'll be right back. Alright, hey guys, thanks for hanging in there. If you hear any noises going on, they're doing some construction outside, so pay no attention to that. Now, moving forward, we're talking about Cigar Wood Ode by Renewed Man. One of my favorites, like I just got done saying. Now, this is not only one of my favorite beard oils because of the smell. Though, this actually leaves your skin nice and soft, and it doesn't leave the beard hair too shiny. That being the case, before we get into using this beard oil, don't forget to, again, like, share, and subscribe. Now, with beard oil, before we use it, we shake it. You gotta shake. Shake it up. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Shake it like a cocktail. All right. But don't drink it. All right. Once you're done shaking up the beard oil here, unscrew your top. A little squeeze in the top there, and you get it. See how I just get the drops out? All right, so put a couple drops of this stuff in your hand, like so. I like 3 drops here. That's good for today. Put this camera a little closer for you guys. We're gonna rub it up really good, because that's what brings out the scent. Oh, that smells delicious. All right, rub it into the beard. I like to start from the bottom. Get that in there. Get it all around. And then in the mustache and around. Now guys, my beard, it's a little short right now. I've had it, you know, I've had it down to here before. That's my goal, okay? I'm gonna grow it out until my birthday, which is May 23rd. We're gonna keep growing this beard. And of course, we're letting the hair grow out as well. And so keep rubbing that beard hair in there. Beard oil, I should say, in the hair. Get that in there real nice and good. And once you've done so, and I like to put a little bit around here as well, you're gonna wanna move on to the next step. All right, now once you have had the chance to rub in all the beard oil onto your skin, you're going to get your comb. No, not the plastic comb. The plastic comb has bits on the end that can break off and pull out your beard hair and really hurt or damage the hair on your beard. No, instead, you're going to want one of these guys. Now, these are really good because they have 2 sides. You got one of the larger teeth here and the smaller teeth. So you got it, you know, longer teeth with a longer beard, get it in there when it's longer, shorter for the shorter beard. What I do is I get a little upstroke here, because remember, we're really trying to get the beard oil onto the skin. We're not trying to get, you know, worry about it getting all over the hair. That's really not what it's for. You know, that's what your beard wash and your beard conditioner and your beard butters and stuff is for. So we're gonna brush these in here. Get this all over, like so. And to make sure it's nice and even. Also, you know, you're also taming the beard. You're taking those strays, those ones that you maybe, you know, flies that stick out, and you're gonna brush them down. The oil also does help a little bit with that. But again, primarily it's for your skin. Now, you can also use one of these guys. call it little by little pocket switchblade comb. This is what I had for when I had a longer beard. It worked great to take with you. And you can use it for the shorter beard as well once it gets a little bit of length. Now, as you can see what I'm doing here, since I do have a pretty well maintained mustache, since I have the beard oil in there, I'm just gonna, since it's a little moist, I'm gonna take it, start in the middle, and just push it off to the side. That way, since my mustache hair is a little longer, it helps with the, getting in the way of food and, whatnot, drinks and things like that. Helps to not make such a mess. I'm gonna do that a little bit, and it will train your mustache as well. Now, I'll do another video on mustache wax. A couple different kinds that I have, different holds, when to apply it, what you should do with it. We'll get into that down the road as well. But for now, we're just gonna give this baby a comb over to the side, starting in the middle, coming down from the nose in the middle, just like that. Another thing that your beard really likes is the boar's hair brush. Okay, this one's from the Beard Struggle. Again, the Beard Struggle also makes some fine beard oils, one of my other favorite brands. I'm going to post all these links down in the description so you can go on the website and check them out. Now, I'm not affiliated through any of these, Renewed Man or the Beard Struggle. I just really like the products. Now, that being said, I also like the Beard brand. They got some great stuff too. I'll put these links in the description when it's time to put them in there, and you guys click on those and check it out. Again, like, share, and subscribe to this page. That's really gonna help me out here. Okay, so back to the boar's hair brush from the Beard Struggle. You can see here, nice and firm. You're gonna take it down strokes, down strokes here. All right, you really get it in there. Again, when you do the mustache, you really want side strokes like that. Okay. And I like to do it for a little bit. Not only does your beard appreciate this, it feels good. It's good on the skin. All right. All right, moving forward with that. Now that we've got that out of the way, now that we're done with that, let's talk about this for a little bit. The beard oil. Okay. Now, beard oil can actually come in many different price ranges, many different types of beard oils. Some have what they call a growth serum in that. It's minoxidil, and I've got one of those coming, so we're going to check out that one and see if that actually does anything when that arrives from Amazon. And I do have an Amazon affiliate link, or affiliate page, I should say. So when some of my goodies come in from Amazon, we'll try those out. We'll review them, and if you want to try them out yourself, there will be a link in the description where you can purchase them. That'll really help me out as well to get more products for you, the viewers, to for me to be able to review for you. So that being the case, back to Cigar Wood Ode. Renewed Man is the one today that we're talking about. Now, I pulled up their website here. Here it is. Here's a bottle of it. I don't know if you can see it very well there. That's the Cigar Wood Ode in the bigger bottle here, and then this one obviously comes with the dropper. Now, this one says here, it's 1 ounce bottle. It says the ingredients are apricot oil, almond oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil, fractionated coconut oil, if I said that right. I don't know, I probably butchered it. Castor oil and argan oil. Okay, it says a complex scent with primary notes of tobacco oud and a touch of smoky vanilla. And I'll tell you, when I crack this baby open, whew, yeah, it does. Especially after you shake it up a little bit. Sometimes with the beard oils, the scent kind of disappears, just like a good cologne until you shake it up if it's been sitting for a while. It's like these guys work. I don't really have to do much shaking with these. I know this is the older bottle, so you'll see on their website they got some updated bottles that look really, really cool. So, you know, keep an eye out for that. Also, just to let you know, you don't have to spend a lot of money on beard products to find a good beard product or a good beard oil. Now, yes, some of the cheaper ones are not that good. That being the case, some are. So you just got to pick and choose which ones you really like. And I hope by going over some of the beard oils that I have here, you know, right now, and ones that I'll have in the future for you guys, I can help you make those decisions for yourself. Now, I just found this one that I brought out today. It's called number 63. We'll go over this one down the road, but this is not one that you typically would think of. They make a cologne, it's French, you know, so they say. And I bought this one for the smell, of course, because why else? Would we initially buy them? And that smell is really good on the cologne. So I thought, what the hell? I'll buy the beard oil. We'll try the beard oil as well. Guess what? It smelled just like the cologne. Now, a lot of them don't. Okay, I'll be honest. A lot of colognes you get their other products, they vary. But this so far is really, really good. I really enjoy it. Now, I have to say though, lately it's been this one. Right here. Yep. And I can't stress enough how much I love that smell. I even take it and just rub it all over a little bit sometimes because it smells that good, and it lasts for quite a long time as well. Again, that's Renewed Man. So that's the company that makes these. I'll put that link in the description for you so you can click on it and easily find it if you're looking to get into that Renewed Man product. They do a lot of other things like beard butters and all sorts of other goodies as well, so check that out as well. Another thing I have to show for you today is a little off subject of, you know, the beard oils, but I made a quick trip to Bath and Body Works yesterday, and I did pick up some men's stuff that I think is pretty cool. They had a deal going 3 for 3, and I couldn't pass it up. So stay tuned. I will show you what I bought. Alright guys, thanks for hitting that like button. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for sharing, because I know that's what you're going to do. Right? Of course. Who wouldn't want to see more product reviews from me? This guy here. My name's Rich. And as I said, I made a quick stop to Bath and Body Works. Bought some cologne. This one here is Whiskey Reserve. Now, I'll get into this kind of stuff down the road, and I'll explain more about it, and the uses, when they use which types of colognes, what's good for what occasion, things like that. But for a quick rundown on what I bought, this is it, Whiskey Reserve, Bath and Body Works. I don't know if you can see that. And it smells absolutely amazing. It's only 1 or 2 squirts needed. I think I got a little bit in my eye. Nah, no worries. We're tough. A couple squirts of that, and it's gonna last all day. It smells great. I used the tester yesterday, and I still smelled 8 hours later. Now, as I said, there was a buy 3 get 3. Another one I bought some body sprays. I got this one here, teak wood. Smells great, just like teak wood. Classic flannel. As you can see, I like my flannels. This one actually smells like a flannel right after you've washed it and dried it. You know, hung it up a little bit. Smells absolutely amazing. Love that one. Another good men's scent we got from there is bourbon. That was a good one as well. Leather and brandy. Okay, it's a nice one. And of course, coffee and whiskey. Now this one, if you like the smell of a coffee house when you walk in, this is for you. Now these scents last, so they say. So we're gonna, you know, get into the ingredients of these. We're gonna test them out, and I'm gonna let you know what I personally think about them in upcoming videos with that. And you know, with all that being said, again, I hope you really enjoy these videos. I know there's really not much going on with them. You know, they're not jumping around, not going crazy, but I am doing, you know, the best I can to show you what I can about beards, mustaches, hairs, and things like that. So again, if these videos interest you, if you feel like, hey, this guy's pretty cool, he's knowledgeable, you know, let's help him out here. Let's hit that like, subscribe, and share it off to your friends, and we'll make many more videos. As I said, I'm going to have an Amazon affiliate page with all the products that I buy. You know, a lot of things are on Amazon, and you'll be able to click on those links and help me out as well by purchasing some of those products if you like. That being the case, that's it for today. Keep on bearding. Talk to you soon.